Namaste everyone, I'm your cPanel guide from the YouStable team. Every customer has a different taste and diet. One wants no onion, no garlic because of religious reasons. Another wants extra spicy. Now think, will you send the same food to them? Of course not. That would lead to complaints, cancellations, and chaos. That's exactly what happens when your hosting uses just one PHP version for all websites in one account. Each website is like a different customer. Some are built on older frameworks, some on new ones. If you force one PHP version on all, some sites will stop working, show errors, or crash entirely. And hey, this solution only works if your hosting supports it. If your current hosting doesn't give that control, or keeps showing errors, it's time to stop adjusting and start upgrading. With YouStable, you can easily set PHP versions per folder. You get a clean, beginner-friendly cPanel, fast performance for every type of website, and their support team always ready to help. No waiting, no excuses. All this at prices that are actually affordable. So if you're done dealing with one-size-fits-all hosting, switch to YouStable today. But don't worry, I'll show you how to set a different PHP version for each folder, so every site gets what it needs, just like personalized tiffins for happy customers. You can have older PHP version installed and still use a latest PHP version in a directory or blog. Let's learn how to use different PHP versions for different directories. Log into your cPanel account, and you will be on this page. Scroll down to the Software section and click Multi-PHP Manager. First, check the box to select the domain you have. Then click to open the drop-down list of PHP versions and select the appropriate PHP version you want to use in a directory. Click the Apply button. PHP 8.1 has been applied to the selected domain. Now, go to the main page and open File Manager. Click on public_HTML. First, right-click the .htaccess file, then select the Edit option. Click the Edit button. Click here to use Legacy Editor. Now, copy the code generated by cPanel for PHP version. You will need to paste this code into the .htaccess file of the folder. Now, go back to the FTP client area and open the directory for which you want to set the selected PHP version. In this case, we want to set PHP 8.1 for the directory forms. Here is a .htaccess file. If it is not, you have to create a .htaccess file. We teach how to create a .htaccess file in a separate tutorial. Now, right-click the .htaccess file and select Edit option. Click to use Legacy Editor. Now, paste the copied code of the PHP version in this .htaccess file and click on the Save Changes button. That's it. We have successfully applied PHP version 8.1 for the selected directory. Now, you know how to copy the code generated by cPanel for a particular PHP version from the .htaccess file of a domain and paste the code in the .htaccess file of a directory to set the PHP version for that directory. You can do it for different directories requiring different PHP versions just by following the previous steps. Thank you for watching.